A recent survey reveals that 73% of practicing lawyers believe that public trust in the Nigerian justice system is low. The need to urgently do something about this poor perception is the reason for this gathering of judges, lawyers, and even concerned members of the society in Lagos.
The most fundamental problem we are grappling with in this profession in 2025 is a problem of the erosion of public trust.
Under the theme, Rebuilding Public Trust in the Nigerian Justice System, Responsibilities of the Bar, the Bench and the Society, the Attorney General of the Federation, who joined virtually, spoke to the efforts the current administration has made to address some of the issues in the justice sector and the collective role all stakeholders have to play.
As we discussed today's theme, the focus must remain on responsibility. The bar has a duty to uphold ethics and professional conduct. The bench must reinforce fairness, openness, and case management. Society must also play its part by engaging constructively with the system and supporting the rule of law.
Referencing the resolutions passed at the 2024 Justice Sector Summit, the keynote speaker, former Vice President Professor Yemi Osinbajo, noted that the necessary reforms had to be driven by the executive branch of government.
The truth of the matter is that when it comes to matters of justice, perception is reality. Executive has a principal role to play. If the executive says we are determined to do this, sitting and working with the judiciary, we can make a world of difference.
Other speakers on the panel preferred possible solutions to the issues.
What can be done and make things better? Appointment process, making the judges themselves individually more accountable by monitoring what they do. And then the punishment process also has to be very open and very clear to people.
I will take on the NBA because I don't believe that they are doing what they should. Number one, do not complain about what you permit because you are the representatives of the people to make sure that the best people get to the court.
One of the things we must do is prevent the judiciary from deciding on politics. Okay? If disputes have to go to court, judiciary must not say he won, she won. Okay, this didn't follow the process, go back and do it again. But when the judiciary makes those kinds of decisions, it creates a public perception that this is not about the good of the system.
The executive is people mainly by the political class, who are beneficiaries of the broken system, who depend on that system to remain broken so that they can achieve their aim. So we have a problem. We will need some external stimuli. Maybe Donald Trump. To make the voice. Oh, Yemi, my sister is here. Just as we have end SARS, end bad government, we might need end bad judiciary.
Participants also recommended more use of virtual hearings and technology to address issues of access to justice and speed with the dispensation of cases. Shola Shoyeli, Channels Television News.